What is the area of the triangle? What is the area of the triangle with altitude? I have seen in one book how it is solved. With altitude 12, 15 and 20. Find the area of the triangle with altitude 12, 15 and 20. Right? Suppose how I solved this question, how it is solved in the textbook, we will see. Area of a triangle is ABC. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is H1, this is H2 and it is H3. Area of a triangle is given by either half A into H1 or half B into H2 or half C into H3. That means this product is constant, means side and height are inversely proportional to each other. Side and height are inversely proportional to each other. Side and height are inversely proportional to each other. Are you all with me? So, this is nothing but H1 is 12, H2 is nothing but 15, H3 is nothing but 20. So, A is to B is to C, which is nothing but 1 by 12 is to 1 by 15 is to 1 by 2. These is nothing but 5 is to 4 is to 3. 5 is to 4 is to 3. So, 5 is to 4 is to 3. What is H1 value? What is H1 value? 12. Where H1 is formed? Between B and A. Between B and A. Over answer. So, if it is 5x, it is a right angle triangle. So, it is 3x. It is 4x. These 3x. Let me write down. These 3x. And it is 4x. I hope the idea is clear. These 3x and it is 4x. These 3x and it is 4x. C and B. C and B, what is this one? Right drawn. These are nothing but 5x. These are nothing but 5x. So half into 3x into 4x equivalent to 5x. What is 5x? 5x is nothing but A. On to A, what is the height drawn? Half into 12 into 5x. Are you all with me? Half of half cancel. 3 4 2s are cancel. X also cancel. X is nothing but A. Half into 12 into 25. Answer is 150. I have seen a lot of students solving it in a very, very long method. That method also we will see it. Anil Nair's way is H1 is 12, H2 is 15, H3 is 20. A is to B is to C is 1 by 12 is to 1 by 15 is to 1 by 20. LCM is 60. 5 is to 4 is to 3. 3, 4 and 5. It forms a Pythagorean triplet. 3x, 4x and 5x. So, this triangle area is half into product of the sides containing right angle. Half into. There is a height which is drawn onto 5x. 5x is nothing but A. A is nothing but 5x. 5x, what is the height that is drawn? Which is nothing but 12. Half into 3x into 4x equivalent to half into 12 into 5x. X cancel, half of cancel, 12 cancel. X is nothing but 5. So half into 12 into 5 square, 25. 6 12s are 125. 6 12s are 125. I hope the idea it is clear. There is one big formula that is there, 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2. That we will see it in next class, and why you should not do that class. I hope area of a triangle, it is half into A into H1, half into B into H2, half into C into H3. Right? That there is a big formula that I will discuss in the second class. No need of using that formula. Area of a triangle is nothing but half into product of the sides containing right angle, 3, 4 and 5. Contains the right angle. So half into 3x into 4x, half into base into x. Because it is 3, 4 and 5, immediately we concluded that it is a right angled triangle. Another Three important properties are there. Law of cosine. Law of cosine. Based on the law of cosine, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle triangle. Three important properties which we will discuss, and then we will continue in the next class. Law of cosine. What is this law of cosine? Suppose if I take a triangle ABC. AD is nothing but a line that is drawn. So it is X and it is A minus X. Let us assume that line to be 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So this is nothing but it is H. This is nothing but C. This is nothing but B. And the total value is nothing but A. This total value is nothing but A. Because it is 90 degrees, Pythagorean triplet is C square equivalent to H square plus X square. Similarly, here it is nothing but B square equivalent to H square plus A minus X whole square. So if I equate it, C square minus X square is nothing but B square of A minus X whole square. C square minus X square is nothing but B square of minus of A square minus 2AX plus X square minus C square minus X square is B square minus A square plus 2AX minus X square. Cancelling it out. So this is nothing but C square plus A square minus B square, which is nothing but 2AX. So if I take cos theta, cos angle B, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is nothing but X. Hypotenuse is nothing but C. So X is nothing but C cos B. So C square plus A square minus B square is 2AC cos B. So cos B is nothing but C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC. Please write down this one, sir. Cos B is C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC, cosine rule. What is that? These cos angle A. What are the sides connecting A, B and C? So cos A will become B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Minus A square by 2BC. Cos B is C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC. Minus B square by 2AC. Extremely important. Cos B is C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC. If it is B, if it is A, this is C. Opposite to A, small c, it is B. Cos B is A square plus C square minus B square. What are the sides connecting angle B? A and C. What are the side opposite to angle B? A. Similarly, cos A is nothing but B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Similarly, cos C is nothing but A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. For example, if one angle is 90 degrees, assume angle B is 90 degrees, cos 90 is 0. So A square plus C square minus B square equivalent to 0. So sum of the squares of the legs is equivalent to sum of the squares of the hypotenuse. If B is 90 degrees, A square plus C square equivalent to B square if angle B is 90 degrees. One angle it is 90 degrees. I hope the idea is clear. If one angle is 90 degrees, A square plus C square equivalent to B square. Another important conclusion, see here, if it is an acute angled triangle, cos B is nothing but A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. This is nothing but A square plus C square minus B square is 2AC cos B. I hope it is clear. So B square is nothing but a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. Cos b ranges from 0 to 90. Cos b ranges from 0 to 90. It is positive. Positive into negative is negative. From a square plus c square, 2ac is getting subtracted. 2ac is getting subtracted. So b square is less than a square plus c square. Cos 0 to 90 is positive. Positive to negative is negative. From a square plus c square, I am subtracting some value. So if I subtract, the value will be definitely less than a square plus b square. Very important property. If ABC are the sides of a triangle, if ABC are the sides of a triangle, right? Now, what is the condition? Square. A square is less than b square plus c square. B square is less than a square plus c square. And c square is less than a square plus b square. In a triangle, maximum three angles can be acute. Maximum three angles can be acute. Right? Maximum three angles can be acute. Maximum two angles will be obtuse, which we discussed yesterday. Maximum three angles can be acute. So it is an AND condition. It is an AND condition. Acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. So if you observe right angled triangle, it is nothing but a square plus c square equivalent to b square if angle B is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. If it is an acute angled triangle, angle B ranges from 0 to 90. B square is less than a square plus c square. If it is an obtuse angled triangle, B square is greater than a square plus b square. So if angle B ranges from 90 to 180. Extremely important condition. If three sides are given, how to check whether which one is a right angled triangle, which one is an acute angled triangle, which one is an obtuse angled triangle. Right angled triangle, acute angled triangle, and an obtuse angled triangle. Right angle means sum of the squares of the legs, it will be equal. Right to the square of this side, I hope it is clear. Suppose for example, if 3, 5, 7 is there, which triangle it is? 7 square is greater than 5 square plus 3 square. 25 plus 9 is 34. 49 is greater than 34. So this is nothing but an obtuse angled triangle. Looking at the sides, you can say, suppose if it is 5, 12, 13, which can be written as 13 square equivalent to 5 square plus 12 square. That means it is a right angled triangle. If the sides are given, based upon this condition, you can do whether which one is a right angle, which one is an acute angled triangle, and which one is an obtuse angled triangle. I hope the idea it is clear.